Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a frequently bought together section to your Dawn Shopify theme. I said Dawn Shopify theme. Now, this does work on other themes, but in this tutorial, we're going to be teaching you how to add it to the Dawn theme. But this should apply to a lot of the other free themes like Sense, Crave, and whatever free themes that Shopify offers. Now, the reason why you want to add this is just think like a customer, right? You know, all right, awesome, $26.88. For another $30, I can go and get these products for just an extra $30, and that would give people a kind of a better reason. You know what? I can get 2 bottles. I can also get 2 packs of coffee for $30 instead of just paying $26.88. So it gives you the ability to make more money, generate more revenue, increase your average order value, and with just a click of a button. Just click on it, boom, all 3 of those get added to your cart. And then you could have automatic discounting rules here. You can kind of change out the settings, add this and, get 10% off or whatever it may be. And you can really, fine tune and try to figure out the best price and, increase your monthly revenue. So anyways, let's get to it. I'm rambling on as always, on my tutorial videos, I ramble on. So let's go and get right to it.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! So when you get this new add-on for your store, all you got to do is open up this frequently bought.html file. I already have it open right here. Very simple, 2 steps to actually get this working. So what we want to do is I'm going to close out of this. When you log into your Shopify admin, you'll have this page here. You want to click on Online Store, and then you want to go to the theme that you want to add it onto. Well, let's preview it first, and then we'll click on Edit Code. So let's make sure that this I didn't actually accidentally add this here. All right, cool, it's not here. So we're waiting for this to open. Hurry up, close out of these. I'm just going to close out of all of this so that way no one's confused. All right, so the first step is we're going to create a snippet called EG Frequently Bought Together. So just copy the title here, and because it's a snippet, we're going to go into our snippets folder, click Add New Snippet. We're going to paste this here. Now the code is in the folder. So right here you have a folder called snippets. When you download it, you're going to want to open this up in any text editor or code editor that you might have. Double click, it'll open up. We're going to copy this code right here, and we're just going to paste it in, hit save, and let's move on to the next part of the tutorial. So we're going to go and find main.product. Now there's a very, very easy way to find these files. We don't have to go and search through every single folder. We just paste the name of it here, and we see that it is main.product. So now the next step is we have to find this line of code, product form. Very easy. All you have to do is inside your code editor, Control F or Command F, depending on what computer you're on. And I don't think there's only one in this file. So now we know we just have to enter it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab this right here, copy, and we're going to paste it, and we're just going to hit save. That easy. And guess what? The next step is to go and add tags to get this to work, but there's another video where it'll teach you how to actually use this feature. So click somewhere on here and you'll find the video to show you how to actually configure this. I've already pre-configured this for this installation tutorial. We have a how to use tutorial, which is next. Let's refresh the page. And there you go. Just like that, you've got your frequently bought together features. And my cart was already filled with products because of the last theme, but it's very, very easy. It does work. I can guarantee you guys will see an increase in your order value. You'll make a lot more money. You'll also have happy customers. People like to get bulk deals. They like to kind of they like that sort of thing. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please, 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 I beg you, my life depends on it. Click the subscribe button. Otherwise, I will not be able to keep making these videos. And you also, if you can, click the like button, because I will not be here if you don't. Until next time.